Hello everyone, this is Mr. Math Techniques. Our lesson for today is multiplication of decimals. And let's take our first example. Let us multiply 4.3 times 7. In performing the multiplication of decimals, we multiply 4.3 times 7 as if we are multiplying whole numbers. For you not to be confused, let us disregard for the meantime your decimal point between 4 and 3. So first, we multiply 7 times 3 is 21. Carry 2. And then 7 times 4 is 28 plus 2 is 30. Now, where are we going to put our decimal? Take note, there is a 1 digit on the right of your decimal point. Therefore, in your answer, you must also have a 1 digit. So, where is your 1 digit? That is between your 0 and 1. 1 digit after the decimal point. Therefore, 4.3 times 7 is 30.1. Let's take example number 2. Let's multiply 5.7 multiplied by 6.2. Again, we disregard your decimal points as if we are multiplying whole numbers. So we multiply 2 times 7 equal to 14, carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Okay, next, we multiply 6 times 7. But before we do that, we add 0 first here. Okay? 6 times 7 is 42. That is 42. Carry 4. And then 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 4 is 34. And then we add, will be 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. And we bring down 3. Where are we going to put our decimal point? 1 here and 1 here, that makes it 2. So in your answer, we count 2 places from 4. So that is 1, 2. There is your decimal point. So 5.7 times 6.2 is 35.34. Let's multiply 0.659 times 0.39. So again, disregard our decimal points. We first multiply 9 times 9 is 81, carry 8. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 8 is 53. Carry 5. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 5 is 59. Carry 5. 9 times 0 is 0. Plus 5 is 5. Next is we multiply 3 with the rest of the numbers. But before that, we add 0. So 3 times 9 is 27. Carry 2. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. Carry 1. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Okay? There is no need to multiply 0 with the rest of the numbers because Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So we just add. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 7 is 0. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 9 is 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, where are we going to put our decimal point? In your first number, you have 3 digits after the decimal point. And in your second number, you have 1, 2 after the decimal point. That makes a total of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to bring your decimal point 5 counts after your 1. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will be your decimal. And therefore, 0.659 times 0.39 is equal to 0.25601. That is your answer. That's it for today. And we have learned how to multiply decimals. Again, for those of you who are just watching now, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be with us again during our next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.